I'm making something special for you. Can't wait to see what it is.
Eat up.
Wow! Wow!
There we go. My little tigers.
Ready?
We are tigers now! Roar! Ha! That's my fearless crew! Bravo!
Oh, you three. There we go. My little tigers.
Ready?
We are tigers now! Roar! Ha! That's my fearless crew! Bravo!
Oh, you three.
Mama! It hurts!
Oh, sweetheart. Let me see.
You're safe now, little one.
Hey, shh. I've got you.
Don't worry, baby. We're going to the doctor.
I'll carry her. You're safe with me, little one.
We'll be right behind you.
Easy now. There we go.
You're so brave.
Easy there, little one. Let's take a look. Just a small bruise, nothing broken. We'll wrap it up and she'll be good as new.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're a brave kit, Snowdrop.
Doesn't hurt so much now.
That's the spirit.
Little lights up in the sky, glowing soft and sleeping high. Guide this tiny dreamer through, keep her warm the whole night through. Shine sweet star till dawn is new, shine so bright, so soft, so true.
You're late again, young Tabby. This is your final warning.
Sorry, sir.
All right, little ones. Page 23. Not page tiger hat. Focus.
Yes, sir.
How was it?
Teacher was strict. So strict. Super strict.
Then you know what to do. Be on time tomorrow.
We will. Promise. Cross our tails.
Back home, little ones. Smells like dinner and straw. Feels right.
What are we making, Mama?
More warm hats for when the wind turns chilly.
Can we help?
Of course, gentle paws though.
Like this?
Perfect.
It's so fluffy.
Looks good enough to...
Get gas.
What's it doing?
Smells funny.
Stay close, kids. Wow, look at the water. It's shining.
Splish splash.
All right, move over. I'm in.
Tribute. Get gas. On it.
All right, little tigers. One final stitch and finished.
Whoa.
Hold still, sweetheart.
It tickles.
Perfect fit and look, special price.
Just $3.
Worth every penny.
So hot.
I know, darlings. Hold still. Mama's got you.
It's sticky. Make breeze.
Here comes a breeze.
Better.
Fireflies help too, see?
They're glowing ice cubes.
Not quite. But careful, it's hot. Oh, smell that garlic rosemary.
Looks perfect, honey. I'll carve.
Plates are ready, and the napkins are folded fancy. See? Today in art class, Milo knocked over the paint water again. Thanks.
Good morning, my little pouncers.
Ready for your big day?
Mm-hmm. Check it out, everyone. We're Tiger Cats. Whoa, cool hats. Let's play. Catch the ball. Over here. Got it.
All healed now.
Thank you, Mama.
We conquer everything together.
Look up there, kids.
Wow! Subscribe to Meow, Tyke. Like, comment.
What should we do next?
Meow. Tap it, tap it.
Ding the bell.